Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from a Monzo to PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So all for that, I will show you the process right over here from the website. You can do it same for the phone app as well. All you have to do is simply access the paypal.com right there on your browser and simply get into the official website. Right, once you're over here, all you have to do is simply sign in with your account's information and verify yourself and get into it. Once you have done so, here in this home section you can see we do have this option of a link a card, nothing else right now. So for that matter, what we have to do is simply go to our wallet section and simply choose to link a card or a bank account, which will be given to you according to the region you are. And then over here, all you have to do is simply enter the information of your Monzo debit or credit card that you acquire, or if you choose to link a bank, simply go ahead and enter the bank account information of your Monzo account. Once you enter the number on top, you can selected your card type by Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Union Pay, whatever it is, expiration date, security code, your billing address. You can tap on this link a card and you will be able to link yourself that particular card, which will be the primary method for you to send or receive money from. Right, so here in this section, when you go to send, or even here in this home section, you will be again to access the send and receive option. When you go to send, you will be able to actually add yourself balance by that same credit card of yours that you just added as a payment. Just you connected here in PayPal, and you can simply choose to add balance to your PayPal account just likewise, and that was the Monzo debit card that you added. So that is the way for you to transfer Monzo balance to your PayPal. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.